Seedance is insane for creating these viral animations. I'm going to show you guys today how to recreate an animation like this. In order to recreate this, come into ChatGPT and here, write this prompt saying, generate me a prompt for a 4x4 storyboard grid which contains 16 frames. And it should have a clean layout with thin black borders, and it should have this font. So here you're going to describe how you want the composition to look, and underneath in the middle paragraph you're going to explain your story. So for me, the story is about this kid who wakes up on day of Eid and he's basically very late, so his mother rushes him and he quickly leaves the house, and then he's going through traffic and then he crashes into things and people, but eventually he makes it. And lastly, I wrote I want style, which is inspired by Arcane. So once you write that in ChatGPT, what you're going to do is you're going to select image and click generate. And this will generate you the storyboard, which basically has all of your story laid out. So here we've got this image of this kid. He just woke up, his mother is rushing him, and then he goes to the toilet, gets ready, and all those things. You can basically come here and you can edit a few things as well. So for me, in shot 6, he was taking a shower, but shots like that will always give you a restriction if you try to edit it in Seedance or even Google Veo 3. So I removed that shot by basically making him hold this certain piece of clothing. So you can write any of the edits down here and it will do that for you. So once you're happy with this, what you're going to do is you're going to download the photo. After downloading the photo, you're going to bring it into Seedance 2.0, and here you're going to upload the photo right here, and you're going to say, can you create me a Seedance 2.0 prompt for this scene? I want a fast paced scene. Write the prompt in English. Okay. So I'm going to click generate, and now what it will do is it will start writing me my prompt, and it's going to be in English. And it will basically analyze all these shots and it will create you a really fast sequence. So you're going to wait for it to generate the prompt. And while that is generating, I'm going to show you guys a skill I use. Inside Claude, I have this skill install, which is called Seedance Director. This allows you to come up with very descriptive prompts. And basically, instead of letting Claude write you very basic prompts, what you can do is you can use this to write a very detailed and descriptive prompt, and it will give you better results. So now that our prompt is generated, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the prompt. So copy your prompt. And now I'm going to come to this website called dremina.capcut.com. Here we have access to Seedance 2.0. Make sure you selected AI video, select Dremina 2.0 fast, and keep omnireference on, and then you can change the duration to 12 seconds. And then what you can do is you can click generate, and then it will start generating your scene. And there you go. It has generated us our scene. Looks pretty good, but there's an issue in the end where it does not finish our storyboard, because if you come back to our storyboard right here, you can see there's this last shot where he enters the mosque. So I came back into Claude, and here I uploaded the photo, and I also said, can you write me another prompt, which explicitly explains that I want to create the last shot. So Claude gave me another prompt. What I did was I copied the prompt, I brought it back here, I pasted it here along with my last frame and also my storyboard, and I click generate, and then this generated me my last frame, which I needed to finish my story. Once I got all the videos that I wanted, I brought it into DaVinci Resolve, and here I added the whole video. But there's a few issues which we need to solve. First of all, there's no cuts for each scene, so you're basically going to come into timeline, and here you're going to click on detect scene cuts. What this will do, this will allow you to cut all of your scenes. So now what you can do is you can go to the color grading app, and here you can individually edit the scenes. So for my scene 1, if I turn off the color grading looks a bit basic and very dull. So what I did was I tried to make it more yellowish. So this really helped with that. And basically you just need to color grade one of the scenes, and once the first scene is color graded, what you can do is you can press Ctrl+C, and you can go to the next scene and you can press Ctrl+V, and this will color grade the next scene, and you can repeat the same process for all the other scenes. When it comes to color grading, what I did was I applied like slight grain and halation and film damage to it, so it looks more natural, because right now AI generated content looks very flat and does not have a certain kind of personality to it. So this really helps to make it look more realistic. So once I was happy with the color grade, I just exported the video. I have in-depth lectures inside my Skool community where I teach you how to create AI cartoon animation, how to make fruit AI videos, how to create content for AI TikTok shop, how to make podcast clips, how to make AI influencers. So all those courses are available inside my Skool community. You can head to the link in my description and you can join there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.